Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the lock screen shortcut on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to change the lock screen shortcuts on your Oppo phone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on home screen and lock screen. Now, under lock screen, you will find the option of lock screen shortcuts. Just tap on it, and from here you can change the left shortcut on your Oppo phone. Now you have the option of digital assistant from Google. Also, you have the option of device controls, the torch, lock screen magazine, and a QR code scanner. Also, you have the option of none, and if you select none, you will remove the left shortcut on your Oppo phone. And this is how you can change the lock screen shortcut on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.